not even paying for this. Why is it so slow? Shit. The crap. It's just too hot to sit here and do this without the air on. Amy, come on. What?
It's a little bit slow.
But,
Let me talk to you guys about life and the meaning of
let's see, how do I do that again? It's been a while. Mabuhay. Welcome back to Philippintastic. Been kind of a busy beginning of the week. Focused on things like getting my tourist visa extended. Also, been offered a new job, so I'm trying to take care of some paperwork to get that done. And then we're proceeding also with our spousal visa. Oh, and we're still taking care of all the U.S. immigration stuff too. So it's a lot to process. There's a lot of paperwork going on. You kind of have to keep mental post-its everywhere so you can remember, what am I doing today, what's the deadlines for this and that and the other. Today I'm sharing my screen with you because some cool stuff I've been using that I've been learning about how to use along the way of starting a YouTube channel. Thought it might be helpful for you guys out there who might be interested in doing this yourself. It's not too complicated. And I think myself, I'm making it more complicated than I need to, which I usually do. It's pretty easy to set one of these up. All you need is like a Google account. If you don't have one, you can set one up, start a new email. It will make things a lot easier just to keep that channel email stuff like separate from all your whatever other emails you have out there. After you get that set up, you can do all your content layout. Choose your background picture for your header, logo, the font for the name of your channel, also like a little profile picture. I've been using just lately this thing called TUBEBUDDY, really cheap for this stuff. They kind of help you as a beginner getting started. I think it's like $2, $2.50 a month, maybe something like that. It's pretty cool. They give you ideas on how to search for keywords. If you're trying to think of a title for your video or a description for your video, I've already started to kind of filter through my videos I've done in the past and update them, and I'm seeing some results. So it's worth $2. They also have a thumbnail generator where it's really bright, vibrant colors, nice big font. And if you see, I went back and did some changes on my past videos. They stand out a lot more. So I've been really impressed with that so far. And there's a lot of other things you can do on here, like bulk processing. If you're changing one thing, but you want to do it on a lot of videos that you've already done. One of the coolest things is the Videolytics. They give you kind of an idea of who's watching, how many people you have watching, how many comments you have, subscribers. So it's really cool. I think eventually once you get enough people subscribing, they can tell you a breakdown of your audience, like who's watching, what age groups, men or women or whatever. I'm going to give it a shot, I think, for a few months. It shows me channel keywords. And so, I went through some of my favorite channels and just kind of saw what they were using for their keywords. Because I'm a beginner, right? So I want to know. I just want kind of like that stepping stone to help me get to the next level. Good service so far. I would recommend it to you if you're just starting out. It will kind of help you out, give you a breakdown. They even have some little tutorials to help you even further break down everything. But that's been pretty good to me so far. So when I first started out filming and taking photos specifically, I was using my Oppo phone, this one here, and it does pretty good. The photos are super brilliant. Like, I really enjoy it because it has this 4 different lenses here. I bought this phone when I was in China, so it captures a lot of really good photos, and I'll show you some examples of the stuff that I've done just with this phone. For videos, if you're wanting to do some cool stuff, I think you need to upgrade. If I want to do something where I'm moving, walking, running, going upstairs, a mountain or something, I use this one, and this is called a DJI OSMO Pocket. And the reason I like this, it's very small, it's very easy to put in your pocket, like your back pocket, front pocket. But the gimbal, this is what they call a gimbal. So if I'm walking around, you can see it kind of like levels itself out, which is really handy when you're walking around and bouncing or on a car ride. These are great because it's lightweight, especially like I said, if you're doing hiking or something, you can buy a clip that will go onto your backpack. You don't even need to hold on to it. I bought this one on eBay when I was in the States for like, I think about $100. You can download their app in the App Store for free. And then what's cool about it is if you want to have kind of a larger setup, you can connect the phone or the Osmo Pocket to the phone. Pan control up and down, left and right. I can also zoom in, so it gives me more visual on what I'm doing. And then as far as a microphone, sometimes I use just my regular iPhone headphones, and it works okay. And then other times I'll just shoot the footage, and then I'll come back here and I'll just talk and edit it while I'm going. So it's kind of cool because it gives me a chance to think when I'm doing the filming. And then I come back here and then I'll just record through this mic and get my thoughts out and like figure out what's working and what's not. So that's been probably the easiest way to do it as I've been getting going. But for the most part, I've been using my MacBook Air to film and edit and do sounds. They even have options to do filters. So if I want to do some crazy silent era sounding, if I want to make it look like a comic book, if I want to do like a crazy X-ray feel, you can do the same thing with the audio. We'll do like echo delay.
Pitch down, which makes your voice very low.
Pitch up, makes you sound like a Smurf.
I think if you're starting with a Mac, I would start with this program first, the iMovie. It's been easy to use, like very user-friendly. The magic happens in the editing. I think you can do a lot more. So don't stress yourself out too much when it comes to trying to get everything at once. Just think about the shot first. I've been using this a few times, which is called OBS Studio. Looks super complicated and crazy, and it is. Clidio has been a very helpful little website for me lately, especially if you're recording. Let's say you're out and about, you didn't bring your camera, so all you have is your phone. If you go to post things on YouTube using your phone, it's going to have these black bars on the side. You can actually just drop the file in here. Okay, but you can see this was recorded on my phone, the black bars on the side. If you do the fill option, it will give you a full screen, which is cool, but it does crop a lot of your original image out. But if it has the black bars, you can always go to this blur option here, which makes it a little bit better. Like I said, if you take a video with your phone, this is a good way to go. Go to the Clidio video resizer. Hope you guys like the new logo. I put in a new logo here. It's a little jeepney, and you'll see the little logo at the bottom of all my videos now. That's kind of my trademark for the channel. Anything you'd like to know about the Philippines, anything you'd like to see me talk about or see me explore, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Whatever your social media drug of choice is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, it's free. You don't need to pay anything. We're at 57. I'd love to be at 100 by the end of the month. My computer is filthy. I hate that when you look at your computer and like, oh,
It was gunk.